How to fix air speaker not working on iPhone after an iOS update. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix air speaker not working on iPhone after your update. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your settings. The first thing that we'll do is we will simply turn off or turn on your noise cancellation. Whatever it's there, we'll just do its opposite. So for that, head over to your settings, scroll down till you find accessibility, tap on it, and after you're on accessibility, scroll down until you find an option that says your audio and visual. It's under the hearing section, tap on it, and after you're here, scroll down till you find phone noise cancellation. So there you can turn it on. If it's turned on, you can turn it off as well. After doing that, what we'll then do is we'll head back and we'll change our change with buttons. For that, head over to your settings, initial settings page, and on your initial settings page, you will need to scroll down till you find sounds and haptics. So tap on sounds and haptics and simply turn off and turn on your change with buttons. After you do that, what you'll then need to do is you'll need to check for blockage. Now you can just make sure that nothing is blocking your ear speaker. There can be your phone case, some dirt. You can just clean it off if there is something like that. And after doing that, if it still does not work, you might want to reset your settings. For that, head over to your general on your settings. So let's say we are on our settings here, go to general, scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it, then tap on reset and reset all settings. After you reset all of your settings, you should be good to go, and that's how you fix the issue. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.